In the world of business strategy, companies usually lean toward one of two philosophies. Let's compare how these approaches impact long-term success. Your orientation defines your compass. It dictates how you allocate resources, talk to customers, and prioritize product development. Market orientation starts with the customer, while product orientation starts with the item itself. Each has distinct advantages depending on your industry. Market-oriented firms often show more consistent growth because they are constantly adjusting to what the consumer is willing to pay for today. Choose a market orientation when you operate in a saturated space where listening to customer feedback is the only way to stay relevant. A product orientation works best when you are pushing the envelope of what is possible, often creating demand where none existed before. Data suggests that customer-centric models often hedge against failure, though product-centric firms tend to capture the highest market share during breakthroughs. Ultimately, the most successful companies find a balance. They use product excellence to innovate, but use market insights to ensure that innovation sells. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you clarify your business strategy, hit subscribe and share this with a fellow entrepreneur.